Good day. This is Teacher Grace Anazada. I graduated Bachelor of Elementary Education in Santa Isabel College of Manila. I've been teaching for 3 years already. I have experiences both in online classroom and face-to-face classroom. I also have experience in teaching Chinese students way back when I was in 5 on top. Teaching is my passion. It is not only a passion for me, but it is a mission because I believe that we are not only teaching the content, but we are preparing the students in the near future. What we are teaching them, they can be used it in the future. That's why it's really important to impart to them that it is significant to learn the language that I am teaching them because they can use it in work, in traveling to other countries, or in their study. I believe that we teachers can make difference into their lives by being passionate and committed in teaching. I also have the interpersonal skills wherein I can collaborate with teachers. I am open for suggestions and I am willing to contribute my skills and talents in terms of teaching, my different strategies and the way I can communicate with the students and with the parents as well. That's all. Thank you.